In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can fix missing by it now button on your product page. Now I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can fix this. This is going to be a step-by-step tutorial. Now first thing you need to do, guys, you want to click here on online store. Okay, so after guys you click on online store, you want to click on customize. Now by the way, I'm going to be showing you guys multiple methods on how you can fix this. So if this one doesn't work, then the second one is going to work. So you want to click here, it says home page in the top right, and then you want to click on products. So after guys you click on products, you want to click on default products. After guys you click on default products, you just need to scroll down and click on buy buttons, and here you can just, if it's unchecked, you want to check it, show this or show dynamic checkout buttons, and then you want to click on save in the top. As you can see, when I uncheck this, the buy button disappears from the product page on Shopify. But when I check this, the buy button appears right now. Now make sure when you check this, you want to click on save changes. Now if you don't see here the buy button, you only see like payment methods and stuff like that. So you want to go back, and then you want to click on online store. So after guys you click online store, probably there is a problem with the code, like you have put some code on your Shopify store, or there is a problem there. So the best solution here is to search here for your exact theme, which is in my case it's down theme. And you want to search here for down theme again and click on try theme. Okay, so after guys you click on try theme, you just need to start like install the theme with the default settings. Everything is default. Okay, like the code, there is no code in the theme and stuff like that. Now that's if you don't have a lot of things, if you didn't customize your Shopify store a lot, this feature or this solution is going to be the best. Okay, so after you select the theme, you want to click on publish in the top right, then click on publish. So that's exactly guys how you can fix this. Okay, so just click on publish, and that's exactly how you can do this. If this one helped you, drop a like, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to everyone. See you guys in the next one.